Replace the printhead in an HP OfficeJet Pro 9010 or 9020 series printer when the printhead is damaged or not working correctly as indicated on the computer or printer control panel. Open the front door and lift the cartridge access door. When the carriage is idle and silent, lift the carriage latch handle to unlock the printhead. Without removing the cartridges, grab the printhead by its sides and then lift it up and out of the printer. Without touching the bottom of the printhead, set it with the bottom facing up on a piece of paper. Remove the new printhead from its package. Avoid touching the electrical contacts and nozzles to avoid electrical failures or print quality problems. Hold the printhead by its sides with the electrical contacts facing the rear and then insert it into the printer. Lower the carriage latch handle until it snaps into place. Install the Setup Ink Cartridges. Hold the cartridge by its sides and slide it into its slot by matching the letter on the cartridge with the letter on the carriage. Push the cartridge forward until it clicks into place. Install the remaining Setup Ink Cartridges. Close the top cover and ink cartridge access door and load paper if necessary. An alignment page might print automatically. If it does not, it will print after the third print job. After the alignment page prints, lift the scanner lid and place the page print side down in the upper left corner of the scanner glass, and then close the lid. Touch Scan to complete the alignment process.